In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking feedback form using Google Forms, step by step. If this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this. To begin, head over to forms.google.com, click on the blank form to start from scratch. Give your form a title, something like Customer Feedback or Event Feedback. Then, add a short description to let users know the purpose of the form. Now let's add some questions. For general feedback, start with a short answer question like, what did you like about the experience? Or what can we improve? You can also use multiple choice or linear scale options to rate satisfaction. For example, on a scale of 1 to 5, how satisfied were you with the service? To make the form more organized, click the Add section button if you want to group questions, like separating personal info from feedback questions. You can also customize your form with the palette icon at the top to change the color or add a header image. Once your form looks good, click the Settings gear icon. Under the Responses tab, you can choose whether users can edit their responses or see summary charts. Make sure to toggle on Collect email addresses if you want to follow up with users. Finally, hit the Send button in the top right to share your form. You can email it directly, copy the link, or embed it on a website. And that's it. Your feedback form is ready to go. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching.